What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the video. It's been a while. My daughter is here, nice, safe and sound, so that's why the videos have been a little bit short this week. So congratulations, my second one. And in today's video we're going to be going over Bitcoin price prediction and key levels, and Elon Musk and SpaceX. A little bit of controversy there, what could potentially happen. And like I said last week, which is really cool now because all the videos I've made, they're all in the public, they're all on YouTube. You can see everything I'm getting right and everything I'm getting wrong, but we were mentioning on why a dump was valid and why a dump was due. So we're going to go into that a little bit more detail and then quickly review the whole SpaceX situation as well, and then we'll do a more in-depth one next week. Right, so let's go quickly review the key levels, then the fundamentals, and then the day trades. So the key levels we can see at the moment have absolutely been obliterated. So when it comes to like this, on a markets like this, what we want to do is take a step back and quickly look at the markets and see what we can clean up and what we can't. So I'd say this level here was completely removed. There was no retest, there was no movement whatsoever. From there, these key levels I'm happy to keep in. I'm also happy to keep this key level and also happy to keep this key level as well. Now, what's really cool about these key levels is look how a price has wicked straight to 25,000, literally just wang onto that key level and reject it. And then from there, we're holding on to the key level, which we have here at 38.2% Fibonacci level and $26,350. That price is holding as another support as well. So we can see, even though, you know, there's news and there was dump and there's volume for a dump, the key level is always respect to some degree. It gives you an opportunity to sell, gives you an opportunity to make a decision. There's quite a few things that these key levels can do to you. That's why I think it's really cool that we're sharing all these key levels with you guys, and it's good to stay up to date on a daily basis and kind of plan your trade and trade your plan. So as we dive into a little bit deeper, we can see that during the past 2 months we've been, you know, sitting sideways and consolidating. Price was just rejecting off of the 30k mark. It was bouncing from the 28k. It was just yo-yoing in between and no real push. And I said this, normally, this is just facts, full stop. Normally what happens is when a market is consolidating for quite a while, generally the breakout to follow is actually quite big because it's accumulated. It's like a spring, right? You keep coiling and coiling and coiling your spring, then you let it go and go boom, it just shoots all the way up or shoots all the way down in this scenario. So really and truly what we want to be waiting for is probably a retest on these structures. Let the market settle, let the market dwindle, and then see if we can get any trade opportunities from there. So one of the news that's also been driving the factor of the dump of Bitcoin was Evergrande ended up going bankrupt. Now what this is basically it's one of the largest properties companies in China, showing that, you know, the development stages and a lot of the economy right now around the world is struggling. And then on top of this, for some reason this news has resurfaced of basically SpaceX and Tesla's situation on Bitcoin. Guys, don't forget to check out our promotions. We have an $8 million prize pool working with Bitget, and there was also, they're giving away a Lambo and a Rolex, which is pretty crazy. But if you don't want to participate in that, that's also fine. There is a $30 airdrop for you completely for free also with Bitget. All you have to do is deposit anything over $100. Alongside with that, we do currently have our Bitget competition, which is $15,000 prize pool, and this has been ongoing for 4 months. So congratulations to the guys who have been winning money for free. Literally just enter it in the link in the description. So let's get back to the video. As you may or may not know, Tesla and Elon ended up buying $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin, and during the bull run or so, they claimed they didn't sell any, and they actually sold 72% of their holdings in 2022, which is basically mentioned here and on their papers. People are also currently saying that Elon is behind, or SpaceX is behind, the current drop off of the Bitcoin move currently. So with these kind of news, not only is the crypto market tanking, so is the indices market, and also so has gold. These have all started to move and shift into a bearish market, and the rest of the year I generally think that we're probably going to tank a little bit more because we've had a, you know, bull run for the indices side of things, and that's what I trade on a daily basis, but we've rejected all of these weekly highs and we are looking to make lower lows for the rest of the year. So if that's the case, Bitcoin's actually doing something very similar. This is from a bit more of a speculation point of view, but maybe Elon's trying to drive the price down so he's able to buy these at lower prices. I wouldn't rule that out because a lot of the times market manipulation, all of these guys, hedge funds, banks and all of this have a big play when it comes to in the market. So let's just see what's going to happen. It's really, really interesting times in the market. So let me know what you guys think below. Do you think SpaceX is making a big difference? How much market manipulation do you think is going on? What is your position on Bitcoin? Do you think 25 Bitcoin is coming or 16k Bitcoin? And where do you think we're going to go from here? So lastly, just to finish off this video, I was going to do the day trades, but just looking at this, you can just see that it's just melting and melting and melting, and there really isn't any day trades. So in this position, we like to just wait for a couple of days and then see if we can get a new position. So Monday will be great, because as we do Monday, there should be some more day trade ideas, the markets are settled, and we can review everything moving forward. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Life is good, things are going quite well. I just need to reset, refocus, and bring back content to you guys here on Coin Trading. So if you liked it, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.